It's hard to contribute to a more loving world when we're feeling depleted and drained ourselves.
Absolutely. It's like filling up our own cup first so that we have something to give to others. And so I think it's so important to prioritize our own well-being, to make time for the things that bring us joy, that nourish our souls. Because when we feel good, we naturally radiate that energy outwards. And that's what creates a ripple effect of positivity.
So it's not just about, you know, trying to fix the world out there, but it's about cultivating that inner state of peace and alignment and allowing that to be our contribution.
Yeah. And trusting that, our energy, our vibration has a ripple effect, that even small acts of kindness, small moments of connection can make a difference.
And with that in mind, I wonder if we could take a few moments now for a guided meditation, just to kind of intentionally shift our
Yeah.
focus and tap into that inner state of peace. So if you're comfortable, just allow yourself to settle into a relaxed position. And take a nice deep breath. And as you exhale, just release any tension, any stress, any worries that you might be holding on to. Just let them go.
Now bring your attention to your heart center, in the middle of your chest, and imagine a warm, gentle light glowing there. This is the light of your own inner being, the light of peace and love and connection. Breathe gently into that light, allowing it to expand with every inhale.
Feel that warmth spreading throughout your body, relaxing your muscles, calming your mind, and imagine that light extending outwards from your heart center, connecting you to everyone and everything around you.
Feel a sense of unity, of belonging, knowing that you are part of something much greater than yourself. And as you breathe gently, continue to visualize that light dissolving any feelings of separation or division.
Now, in your mind's eye, begin to picture the world that you want to create. A world filled with kindness and compassion, where people treat each other with respect and understanding. See a world where diversity is celebrated and everyone feels safe and valued.
Hold that vision in your awareness and allow yourself to feel the emotions that come with it. The joy, the hope, the love. And know that by simply focusing on this vision, you are contributing to its manifestation.
As you continue to breathe deeply, remember your own power, your own ability to make a difference. You are a powerful creator. And your thoughts, your feelings, your actions all have an impact on the world around you.
So choose to focus on the good. Choose to be the change you want to see. And trust that even small acts of love and kindness can create a ripple effect of positivity that can spread far and wide.
Now, when you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the present moment, carrying that feeling of peace and connection with you. And know that you can always return to this space whenever you need to recharge, whenever you need to reconnect with your power and with the vision of the world that you want to create.
Take a deep breath in And as you exhale, allow yourself to carry a feeling of clarity and peace forward with you. Now that we've envisioned a world of alignment, of harmony, of positive change, let's take a moment to bring that vision into our daily reality. As you return to your day, ask yourself, how can I embody this energy? How can I engage with the world in a way that reflects this higher vibration? Maybe it's in the way you choose to express yourself, the conversations you have, or simply the thoughts you allow to take root in your mind. Rather than dwelling in frustration or fear, what if you focused on what's possible? What if, instead of resisting what you don't want, you gave your energy to what you do want? That shift in focus is powerful. It's the foundation of true transformation. So, as you step back into your life, I invite you to take one small aligned action today. Maybe it's a kind word, an intentional conversation, or simply a moment of gratitude. Trust that these small choices create ripples. They matter. You matter. Hold on to this alignment. Carry it with you, and let it guide your next steps